Hello dear students, welcome back to your computer class. Okay, let's start today's class. So in previous class I have explained you the remaining part of this chapter 2, log on to MS Access, and we have completed fill in the blanks part of exercise. Yes, okay, so today we will do the remaining part of exercises and question answers of this chapter. So let's start. Okay, so in true and false, first question is MS Access is a database management system. Is it correct? No, it's not, because MS Access is a relational database management system, not only a database management system, it's a relational database management system. Okay, so first one will be false. Next is database is of two types, DBMS and RDBMS. This is also false, because if you remember, so I have explained you two types of databases. First is flat file database and second is relational database. So second one is also false. Third is in a flat file database system you can make links. So it's no, this is false, because in flat file database systems we cannot make links between the tables, because there is no common field between the tables, so we cannot make links in flat file database systems. Okay, fourth one is you can create relationship between two tables using unique field. So this one is wrong, because for making links between tables or for making relationship between tables we need common field, not unique. Okay, so this one will also be false. Table queries and reports are and forms can be created in MS Access. This one is true. Okay, remaining two you will search in the chapter and you will do yourself. Okay, now come to application based questions. Okay, so first is Supriya is being given an assignment to create a table using templates. Suggest her the options which she should select after opening MS Access. So in this question you have to write the steps that how we can create database using templates. Okay, I have told you that we can create database in two ways. First is the blank database and second is using templates. Okay, so for creating database using templates, first you have to open the MS Access. So in this question they are saying that after opening MS Access, which steps she should follow. So after opening MS Access, she should choose the open dialog box and click on open, and then click on create tab, and then table template option in a table group. Okay, so see, you will find the answer of this question on page number 16. See, I'm going to show you. Okay, so this is 17, this is page number 16, creating table using templates. Okay, so here you all can see that, see, after opening MS Access, where she have to click, from open dialog box, click on open, and then create tab in a table group. Okay, and then she can choose any kind of table from this list. Okay, so now come to second question, second application based question. It is Mansi wants to quit MS Access after saving database by using shortcut keys. Which key combination will you suggest her? So for means to quit MS Access, so the shortcut key for quitting MS Access is, yes, you will search this answer. Okay, you will do it yourself. Now MCQs, it's already marked. Okay, so answers I have marked here, you all can see. Is the shortcut key to save the database Control plus S, and is an application software which is used to create and manage the database, it's DBMS. The extension of MS Access, see, it's a very important question because you should know the extension of each document on which you are working. Extension tells us about the type of file. That suppose after any file you will always find a common name after the dot sign, like your file name is my database, so after that my database you will find .accdb. so this accdb shows that your file is a database. It is an MS Access file. Like if the extension is .doc, it represents that your file is a document, it is MS Word file. Okay, so the correct answer is .accdb. So there are mainly two types of databases are there. Now next question is, what is database? Give examples of a database. So what is database? The database is an organized collection of related information or data stored in a file. Okay, so the answer of this question you will find on page number 14. I'm going to show you. Okay, so just see, open page number 14 for that. Okay, this is page number 14. So here you all can see the definition of database. So you have to write from the beginning. A database is an organized collection of related information. From here, related data. Okay, you do not need to mention its type. Instead of this, they are asking you to give examples. So examples of database, you can give any example. You can give example of student records. Okay, now come to next question. Next question is, explain any 4 features of MS Access. So many features are given on page number 15. Like first of all, the very important feature of MS Access, that data redundancy is reduced. Okay, data duplicacy is reduced. It increases the efficiency and speed and searching and accessing of information. Okay, so the proper answer you will find on page number 15. On page number 15, many features are there. See, okay, so from these any 4 they are saying, so you can write the first one. Okay, so write the first one and second one, third one, and continuously the fourth one. So first 4 features you will write in the answer. Okay, now the last question is, what are the types of databases? Explain each of them briefly. So here you have to write the types of databases. So that you will find here on page number 14, types of databases. So either you can you have to write this in a theoretical form. Don't make this diagram. Instead of this, you can write types of database and then explain flat file database and then explain relational database. Okay, now the short notes are they are asking. First note is, what is field, record and reports. So see, reports you will find, reports are explained in the last point of this. See, in this features of MS Access. So this is the answer, reports. Okay, reports allows you to present the data in meaningful and summarized manner. Okay, and fields and records. So record, field, here you will find the definition of field. What is field? The column within a table that contains only one type of information is called a field. That much only. So okay, so till here you have to write till field. Okay, and next is record. So what's a record? Here you will find the answer. A collection of field names makes a record. A record displays all the information about a single entity, that much only one line. Okay, so from the starting you have to write till here. Okay, so I hope all the question answers are clear to you. Okay, so that's all for today. Complete your work and take care of yourselves. Bye.